Hello and welcome to our Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
China's gasoline imports fell 35.7% in July from a year earlier, customs data showed, as refiners lowered crude runs and held back from shipments due to weakening profit margins. Gasoline exports stood at 790,000 metric tons last month, or 5.77 million barrels per day. US stocks ended last week higher, extending their biggest weekly percentage gains of the year, as worries of an economic downturn eased and investors focused on the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium next week. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq notched their seventh straight session of gains. The dollar fell against the yen and was softer against other peers as traders took profits and investors sifted through economic data to gauge the Federal Reserve's appetite for interest rate cuts. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin gain 0.5% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT, Germany's German Buber monthly report at 10 GMT. China's FDI will be released at 9 GMT. New Zealand's exports at 22:45 GMT. New Zealand's imports at 22:45 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to visit us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.